extremely important for Versec and everybody because this is a forum where you meet your customers, partners, know about the new technologies, and especially after such a long time, I mean, it's been literally more than 1.5, 2 years that we are meeting. This is a physical event where we are meeting everybody together. So it's extremely important, especially it's an eye-opener for technologies, newer technologies like Versec themselves, if you see, which has a protection for 0 days with mere milliseconds dwell time. We are able to protect very advanced attacks. So this gives an opportunity to everybody to know about the various technologies as well as meet with each other and expand our horizon. There's been a surge of attacks during the pandemic, especially so we've been seeing a lot of ransomware attacks, remote code execution kind of attacks, a lot of fileless attacks which are targeting the memory. And while the legacy solution tries to prevent these kind of attacks, we've seen them, they've been kind of failing because of they depend on past knowledge. They are trying to protect attacks like SolarWinds, Colonial Pipeline, the Kaseya attack based on past knowledge. And the newer attacks do not depend on the past knowledge. They have no pattern. So you need a solution which is completely different, which is able to stop the attacks at day 0 within milliseconds. And rather than looking at what threats are coming in from outside to inside, it's more important to protect your crown jewels, which is your servers, to look within it, to look at the application, the DNA of the application, not the behavior which is outcome of execution, the DNA of the application, exactly how it is, so that you look at what's good inside, anything outside of good is considered bad. That's the approach you need to take with the zero trust approach and protection at the runtime, which is extremely essential. That will help you, or rather give you the peace of mind to our customers. Our customers definitely need that peace of mind so that they are protected as and when the attacks happen, not after the damage is done. Like many other cases we saw the attacks being detected after months. And we need this to be protected within milliseconds. The industry is talking about a dwell time of hours and days. Versec is talking about within milliseconds. That is where we need to reach. All industries are equally important where critical data resides, where there are servers, especially the crown jewels. But yeah, what we've seen primarily is the attackers are, or rather very focused, especially on the banking sector, government, and even in the health sector. These are the areas which are under attack every now and then, and these are the areas which needs to be protected. So you see these kind of 0-day attacks which I just spoke about, the remote code execution attacks, because every other company has these exchange servers or some form of an email server or any of these applications which are vulnerable on a daily basis. Vulnerabilities today, the vulnerabilities which are not, we are not aware of certain vulnerabilities today in a particular application that might become, those applications might become vulnerable tomorrow, which we are unaware of today. So you need a solution which can protect you today against the unknown vulnerabilities as well as the known. This is where Versec focuses on. We are able to protect the vulnerabilities which are known as well as unknown, which means even if you don't have prior knowledge about it, you're still protected without any signatures, without any past knowledge, because the newer threats do not depend on, or rather do not follow any pattern from the past. So searching from past patterns is probably going to make you miss these newer threats, and that is why we see a surge of these 0 days, because technology, especially the legacy solutions, are trying to assess newer threats based on past knowledge, and that is what fails them. But whereas you need something which takes a totally different approach. So if you look at it in terms of channels, we are a completely channel focused company. 100% channel model is what we follow in the Middle East and Africa region. I head this region, and then we obviously have a lot of channel partners already, quite a few, I won't say a lot, quite a few important partners who work very closely with us in the UAE region, the likes of Catalyst, eCloud Pro, Metabyte, FVC. These are the partners, and many more which we work with. Then in the Middle East, Qatar region, we have Paramount. In Turkey, we have BMR. But we are still we want to expand our presence in these regions with more strategic partnerships, enter newer regions more aggressively, like the Egypt, and again Saudi is a big region. We are trying to get into we are already in the Africa region with Mart Networks and many others. So, and internally, if you see, we have a very robust channel partner model where we incentivize them enable the partners, certify them, rigorous training, hand-holding is given, and there is a channel portal available, so certification, everything is in place. So we are definitely recruiting partners who want to work with us closely, strategically, yes. So in GITEX, as I said, this is a forum where you meet a lot of different people. So as I said, we are, I won't say very picky, but at the same time, we need to choose the right set of partners who will work closely. We don't need a lot of partners, we don't need a few focused partners. So we are focusing on partners who are serious about making cybersecurity irrelevant, because making cybersecurity irrelevant, I'm sorry, not cybersecurity, making cyber threats irrelevant is the focus of Versic. So we are trying to partner with similar companies who also have the same mindset of eradicating threats from the market. So it's a journey that you and I, or rather the partners together with us, we together need to ensure that we are able to combat that.